Hello and welcome to today's edition of The Exchange, brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange. We're live from Hollywood, Florida, inside ETFs. As a reminder, the interview is for informational purposes only. The NYC does not recommend investments or investment strategies. I'm joined right now by Matt Barry. He is head of product management and also head of ETF capital markets at Touchstone. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, thanks for having me today, Doug.
I see you out and about. This is a busy conference. There's a lot of advisors. What are some of the conversations you and the team are having?
Yeah, we're having a lot of really good conversations on the fixed income side in particular. There's a lot of demand for fixed income. Yields are higher than they've been in a number of years. The Fed's put income back into fixed income, but it's uncertain how long yields are going to remain at that level. So what we're seeing a lot of investors do is move out and take a little bit more duration, primarily through high quality credit securities, and also look to actively manage solutions to help navigate what could be a challenging economic environment ahead.
Yeah, I think that's pretty fair, right? A lot of the headlines. I've been asking a lot of people, I'm going to ask you the same question. When you're smiling right now, we're both optimists, I can't help it.
Yeah.
Do you look at the markets right now? Do you look out there and say, hey, there's actually some big opportunities?
We do, in pockets. So we certainly see more attractive valuations lower down on the cap spectrum. Small caps and mid caps, I think those are more attractively valued. Larger caps do look a little bit more expensive on a historical basis right now. So what we're seeing investors do is look to more dividend paying strategies in that large cap space, where that income can at least serve to a buffer to an extent some of that volatility that could be on the horizon.
Are there ETFs in the Touchstone lineup right now that you look at and say, hey, these are kind of the favorites right now?
Yeah, absolutely. So the one I would highlight today, and especially in light of that previous comment, is our Dividend Select ETF. DVND is the ticker. It's a really good dividend strategy. A lot of dividend strategies out there in the marketplace can take on unintended bets, be it really extreme sector exposures by trying to invest in the securities with the highest yields, or falling into a value trap for a similar reason. What the team for DVND does a little bit differently is try to take a very balanced approach. So they balance dividend payers and dividend growers, investing in a portfolio that's more balanced. It's made out of high quality companies with strong competitive barriers to entry and high returns on invested capital.
And again, that seems to be the topic, right? Dividends, that's all I'm hearing almost everywhere. Now, for someone that's listening in, they want to learn more about Touchstone, some of your ETF lineup, where do they go?
Yeah, TouchstoneInvestments.com is the great place to find all our fun information. Our LinkedIn page is another great follow as well.
Excellent, easy to remember too. Now, if you dialed in and you're watching this live, but you're looking for other ETF content, you're looking for other strategies, you want to learn more about DVND, you can go to our website, etfcentral.com, put it in the search bar. You can even just write Touchstone and you'll see the entire lineup of Touchstone ETFs at etfcentral.com, all brought to you by none other than the New York Stock Exchange, the home of ETFs.